That was a wonderful start to this video. Wonderful. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So obviously, guess who is here? We are going to be doing the Bean Boozled Jean Beat. What is it? Oh my god. Jelly bean. Oh. Okay, so we are doing the Bean Boozled Jelly Beans challenge. I know everyone has been doing this video, but I finally purchased it myself, so I figured the best person to do it with is her. So if you guys don't know who she is, introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Nasi.
So this is my boyfriend's younger sister. You guys probably have seen her in the, what video did we do?
Power of Makeup.
The Power of Makeup challenge. If you did not see that video is so funny. I'm gonna link it up here, so just go and check that out. I literally sprayed your foundation in her mouth. Go check out that video. I'm sure you guys know how this goes. It has like the little spinny thing. So who wants to go first?
You want to go first.
Why are you telling me to go first?
Your idea, you go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Stop! You stop!
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Oh! Okay, fine. So I guess you just spin it whatever it lands on. Okay, we have the yellow bean. It could either be buttered popcorn
or rotten
eggs. Okay, which one is it? They're like
it's
this one? Here.
What?
Okay, figure out. Fine.
My own.
Cheers. Go.
You go.
1, 2, 3.
I think I got the popcorn.
Wait, I don't know which one I got.
No, I got the popcorn.
I don't think this is popcorn. Can we spit it out?
I mean, I kind of like mine.
I don't know if I like mine. Is that the rule? You have to eat it? So we don't have a trash can, but we do have paper towels. And we do need to spit anything out. And we have water.
Try smelling someone's breath if you suspect faking. Ain't nobody doing that. No, your breath smells like that.
Oh.
Shit, it's like in the middle.
Of?
Toasted marshmallow or sting bug. Oh man, that don't look right.
Oh man, I'm nervous. The first one tastes so weird. Cheers! Oh my god!
Why would somebody decide to do that?
That was definitely sting bug.
Oh,
I can still taste it! Oh my god! Look at the camera, remember?
Oh yeah, like looking at myself.
Third one, let's see. I don't know why people do this. It's in the middle again. I want this one.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwater? How did these people even know what dirty dishwater would taste like? No, that's dishwater. That's dishwater. Oh, this is water. It tastes like freaking soap. It literally does taste like soap.
Oh, that is disgusting. I dare you to finish all of it.
No, you finish it. I dare you. Oh my god, that
What will I
does
get?
my support? I dare you. Ew, it literally tastes so bad. Like, if you guys are home doing nothing, try taking soap and drinking it. You're making me want to throw up. You finished it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, eat the whole thing.
Fun fact, if you hold your breath while you're doing it, you don't taste it. Please be something good. I need something good in my mouth. Oh. Shit.
Are you like mental? No, it's not just
Tutti Frutti or stinky socks?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Well, it doesn't taste bad. I didn't even bite it enough. It could have been.
No!
No!
You're cheating!
Hell no! It tasted bad though. Yo,
God.
nah, that just smells bad. Stop. Stop. No.
Okay. Chocolate pudding
or canned dog food.
And my stomach is like turning right now.
You always have the worst ideas.
Well, you said yes.
Whatever.
Cheers. Oh no. I got chocolate. I got chocolate. Oh my god, I didn't get one good one.
I got chocolate. Thank God. I needed the sweet after that disgusting.
Is it good chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, God, that's bad. Do you want to try it?
Hells no. Why would I want to do what? Peach or barf?
You had to pick like the worst.
One for the road.
Yo, just give me one good one, please. Okay, last one. What'd you get?
I don't know.
It was not peach.
Oh my. I'm like literally sweating. Look. Oh my god.
I'm like literally my ass is sweating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will be linking her Instagram as well down below in the description box, so just go and follow her. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I did it! She did it! I did it!